Hello, I want to introduce you to our most recent book in the Bus Stop series. And we call it the Bus Stop series because the bus has represented many things historically. We use it metaphorically to share that many of us have sat in different seats on that bus historically in the United States. The term bus stop in the first edition is a bus stop to look at the question of reparations. The book, The Question of Reparations, really dives into a holistic viewpoint from many perspectives on number one, what reparations might be, what they might look like, and how our approach and our opinion regarding reparations may vary between different people in the U.S. We encourage you to read this book. We think it will provide a great understanding of what the term reparations really means, and also provide a holistic approach to look at education, health, and wealth that might be looked at in terms of reparational approaches versus ethnicity, race, gender, and other outer appearances. We hope you enjoy the book. We look forward to producing the second book in the Bus Stop series sometime in the February 2022 timeframe. So with that, please become a reader and absorber of information in the current book, The Question of Reparations. We're sure you're going to enjoy it. We're sure you're going to learn from it. We're sure you're going to share it. And we're sure it will cause many, many productive discussions and hopefully productive actions in your local communities to push forward on our quest for an inclusive environment and an inclusive culture. Thank you.